Hello guys, today we will talk about TikTok ban, which PM Modi has done an excellent job by banning TikTok. In this video, I am going to answer about that girl who was abusing our respected PM, that why has he banned TikTok. Our PM has done an excellent job by banning it up. Firstly, the girl said that it will result in people losing their jobs. What jobs do you think were you getting by using TikTok? Anyone can tell me? Just showing mujra and I don't know. Secondly, the girl says that the youth will go to foreign. So in India, there are around 130 crore people, and out of which about 70 to 80 crore people have downloaded TikTok. So for that reason, if they at least 70 crore people will go out to the foreign, firstly that's not possible, and second, our government and the other countries' government would not allow so much people to go out. And the talk related to youth, the youth there, firstly they would have to go get a sim, and for in the foreign, in India, as we all know, it's very easy to get sim, but in foreign it's difficult. Firstly, you need to own a house, and for owning a house you need to be the resident of that place, and which would take at least 5 years, and by then they would lose all their fame and money. And besides that, most of the viewers which were seeing those TikToks, they were Indians. So in other countries like USA, Europe, very few people are using TikTok. So for that reason, even if they go to foreign and try to use TikTok, they cannot have more than 100k followers or 200k followers. Rather, they were having at least 1-2 million followers in India. So that's a drawback, but it's excellent. As banning TikTok, many of us have got our children back, especially those who turned into daughters, if you know what I mean. The TikTokers were very happy that the video which Carrie made, TikTok versus the end, it got banned. After all, if you do bad to others, bad comes to you, and they just made a video ban. Carrie did a lot, and the whole society got banned from the TikTok app, and even the app also got banned. And again, coming back to that issue that the people will lose their jobs, hardly matters. If there were 70 crore people, only 1 lakh people were earning money through TikTok. Even you, if you have used TikTok, how many of you have got and earned a lot? None of you. It's rare that you earn. Even from YouTube also, it's quite tough to earn. You need support, views. Those TikTokers, I don't want to name them, I don't want my tongue polluted, but what do you think? Those Nepalis and all those, it's not fair, but we must take a pledge to boycott TikTok and all other apps. Even if you find a way to use them illegally, we should stop the use, and we should boycott Chinese products. Those girls, I have seen literally memes on Instagram, those little girls crying that the TikTok got banned. They even don't know the pain that whenever someone dies in the family, and especially an army officer, what is the pain of it? You feel it here. The pain is here when an army officer dies in India. It's really sad. Our youth, they cry on TikTok ban, but they were literally happy when even a soldier died. What kind of behavior is this? They should not show such behavior. Even just for an app, this behavior is intolerable. I cannot even say that. So bad behavior for our soldiers. We must respect them. It's just an app. Why to make it such a big issue? So in the end, if you like my video and felt something that okay, I was right, please consider subscribing and do leave a like. Thank you all. And don't forget, I want this video to reach Carrie.